Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Hey everybody, so we're here at the Wagon Wash natural pet food and grooming place. Dexter's about to go get cleaned up. He is shedding like crazy, making it hard to wear darker clothing. So we found this local place. We went online, asked Mr. Google, located one, and we're about to go check it out and see what it's all about.
So come on, let's go wash Dexter.
All right, let's.
He finally sees the other dogs. See, Dexter likes this. He enjoys a good bath. It's always good to know different places. Just ask Mr. Google around town. They'll give you all the information you need pretty much. Also, be willing to Google like mobile grooming. They have those as well. Or always call like a pet groomer, and they can give you some really good information on where to go. Such a gorgeous day. Beautiful, beautiful place to be up here on Spruce Mountain. Just absolutely gorgeous. Got Brandy to come along with a hike for today. A little day off. Nice to be off work, ain't it?
It is fantastic to be off work and out in nature.
And you're walking along, and let me flip your boom. Look at that. I gotta check out this view. I know it's windy as crap, that's why it's called Windy Point. But let me tell you, it is gorgeous up here. Say hello, Brandy.
Hello.
Say what it do, YouTube.
Queen of the world.
Right? Ain't it just gorgeous up here?
It is breathtaking.
Guess out we're out up here on Windy Point. Yeah, it's a little ways up here, but and it's windy, so hopefully you can hear me. Check that out. That's a little ways down there. See some cars and trains back this way. Just want to get out on a little hike. What is it, 7.8 miles? 7.8 miles. And we're at least 5.5 back in here.
Well worth it.
Well worth it. Peekaboo.
Hi. Look down. Careful with snow and ice.
Hey.
It's really warm.
It's really warm. I'm sweating.
Walking on snow and ice, but yet I could almost be just
Look how
amazing.
gorgeous it is here.
It is super, super pretty.
Look at that. Tell me that's not epic. It's kind of like being in a corn maze. Hey, I bet you that's where people go. That's where the other trail system leads. That's the next climb. You have a beautiful resting place, Mr. Paddock. Look at that gorgeous view for a lifetime, buddy. Don't know you, but I know it's beautiful here. What do you think, love? Sometimes you gotta be careful, because see, that's a long ways down there. Man. Think so? You don't want to lead the way? Well, surely it's definitive which way to go, right? Folks, thanks for coming along with us today. Just want to try to share a little bit of information with you, let you know like where, for all you van dwellers out there that has pet companions, that way you know exactly where you can find them. A car wash, a doggy wash. You see, I'm sunburnt. We're beat. It's been a long day out in the mountains.
Yeah.
Pretty nice hike though.
Very nice hike.
But like I said, just ask Mr. Google anytime, and call a groomer, look for a local groomer, and usually they can direct you and give you a number or something like that to find a dog wash or a self-serve wash, and actually check your car washes. Be surprised or not, most of them have a self-serve dog wash.
Yeah.
So we're going to enjoy our dinner. Thanks for coming along with Good Vibes.
Hope you guys have a great evening.
We hope you have a good one. Stay positive. Always be yourself. And have a good one, guys.